My hello, hello, hello. Holy shit. W ads. Oh, I didn't get music on, dude. I'm a fucking bot. What am I doing here? Music. Open. Did the new notification work? I didn't even check. Wait, Reagan's here. Who was first? Wait, Reagan was first. Holy shit. Let's get into it, dude. Oh, it's because the long weekend, huh? Yeah, let's see. Did this work? Live alerts. This didn't even work, dude. Why doesn't this work, huh? Somebody tell me why. At stream noti. The bot just doesn't fucking work, dude. I finally got the stream notification work because someone had an issue with the add everyone. Finally, dude. What do you guys think, dude? Is it ever gonna take off? So annoyed, dude. Fuck YouTube, man. How are they just gonna kill my video like this? Nah, I'm just kidding. I don't think it's actually dead. It's actually picking up a little steam, as you can see. But, oh my, was it just destroying in the first 24 hours? Holy shit. You would think if it did this well in the first 24 hours, like, it just would keep pushing it, you know? But it didn't. It just shut that shit down, dude. Alright, well. Let me show you guys what I got. Reagan, dude, it's probably been a while since you've seen anything happen. Let me show you what I got in the game, dude. It's not gonna feel like a lot, but it is, I promise. Alright, let's see, what do we got? Yeah, you got school and shit, and... Alright, well, anyways, we got, I need to fix this spacing here, but... We got the inventory working. We can, split items. We can recombine them. We can swap items. We can do all the inventory things, so that's good. Oh, you can also drop items if you press Q on it. Here's my armor. Alright, we got some armor. What I'm just working on, so I'm getting all these gear slots kind of situated. So I just finished this today. You can drag between the two menus. So that's pretty sick. And as... Yeah, you can't split in here. I'm just gonna not allow you to split over there. It makes no sense. Wait, what the fuck? I smoke my stogie anywhere I want. I don't have to find a hideout place like you. Is it already time to sub again, Brutus? Jesus. Fucking that last month went by fast. Holy shit. I feel like you just subbed like a week ago. Is that just me or am I tripping? Junior year? Oh yeah, junior year is pretty tough. Yeah, junior year is the hardest. Alright, well, dude, you guys, I had just the shittiest, just the most like in the trenches fucking coding work that I did today for like 6 hours. I'm so burnt out of it. Oh man, but I did take I took a big break for the last 2-3 hours, so I feel like I'm chilling now. But holy shit, what I had to do was basically I hard coded too much, man. I hard coded too much, and then I had to refactor all the inventories so that like you can make like a generalized inventory. So now the gear inventories over here are like base inventories, and then you like derive from those base inventories, and you can create your own inventory with its own rules. So anyways, these all inherit from the same thing now. And that fucking sucked. And then I did the same thing with slots. So there's inventory slots and there's gear slots, but they both are derived from like a base slot. The good thing is now if we add in like shops and chests and stuff, it'll be really easy. So that's kind of why I did it. And the other reason was I was about to just fucking copy and paste like 200 lines of code everywhere, which is going to be stupid. Anyways, we can drag things, dude. It's crazy. There's crazy shit going on in the back end here. So the next thing that I did is I made an armor. Just a stupid little armor here. Even as a model. Look at our armor. Alright, and then the problem is what we want now is we want it to only be allowed to go into this one slot, this body slot. So I need to figure out how to do that. The other thing is the hover works over here, as you can see. And of course the spacing is off over here, so I don't know what's going on with that. That's really fucking annoying, but we're gonna have to fix that bug too. Apparently, somehow, it calculates the offset between the slot in a different way when it's over here than over here, so that's awesome. Anyways, that's a little recap. Hopefully we're out of UI land very soon. I'm feeling like we'll be out of UI land in a couple days, max. At least got one more year after your junior year? Well, yeah. But it's easier, I feel like. The senior year is easier. Okay. I have to figure out, like, how do we do this where it can only be dragged to a certain slot? So I have this enum here. Gear container slot types. So we should check against this. The problem is, I don't have anything like this on my item data, so I might have to, like, add a field for that, I think. Oh, I should probably add a hand. Oh man, is this gonna fuck everything up though if I add it there? Let's add it at the end. Always add enums at the end. I wish I could put it up there, but I'm scared of what it will do. Hey FCS, what's up, man? Releasing an update for Shiptrace. Oh, what do you got in store for this update? Yeah, I'm afraid. Well, I guess it's over here. I'm afraid these keys will get like messed up if I change the order. So I could add something to items that's like one of these, or it could be hands for the hand slot, or it could be none, and then it, like you're not allowed to bring it in there at all. That's probably, yeah, let's just do that. That's easy. Hands. Okay, but that means in our item data, we're gonna have to create a new field. I don't really see any other way around this. We basically have to do this, so. I mean, we could probably derive, let's see what it is. We go to like armor. We can maybe derive some of these other classification types from this one, but like item type, is that even, is that I guess that's different than what I'm doing. It's like more specific. Item categories. Wieldable. I almost feel like it's like it is this. Item categories. So what's the status of Shifters? Do you feel like it's getting any closer to completion, or is it still a long ways out? What kind of classification types do we need for an item? So we have the rarity, we have... I mean, what are like things that we're gonna need to know? Like, is it like consumable? That's like a general thing. Fishing line. I feel like this is already it. Like, I think I like made this redundant, dude. Yeah. Like, it should just be item type. Fuck, man. Definitely long ways out still? Alright, for sure. What's the big thing you're working on? We need like a... Dude, we need you to show us a video or something of it, man. I've never really seen this game. Do you have any videos? Or any clips you can show us? I mean, yeah, this is exactly it. It's just... wieldable. Wieldable or consumable. Like, so we could for hands be like, if it's wieldable or consumable, then it's... you can put it in your hands. Rather than checking all of these certain types. And then item type, we'll just like, yeah. Let's just take what we had over here for gear container slot types instead. It's kind of annoying. To change all these. All right, let's do it. Where is our item data, man? Dude, if I change these, it's gonna fuck everything up. It's so annoying. Should be hat or head. I feel like hat is better, but change it to head. It's just on the back end, it's fine. Legs, body, head, gloves, boots, and then we need a cape. Should all consumables be wieldable? Is that redundant information, you guys? What do you think? There's some website where you just take a video and then you like say like convert to a Discord video and it will like scale it down to the size that you need. If you ever want to send something like that, it's pretty easy. You just do like video converter, something like this. Yeah, just like put it on here and then download it, and it should give you the right size. It'll just scale it down until it works. Well, yeah, you don't have to. I was just saying it'd be cool to see it at some point. Never seen it. Oh, we got the video. Hell yeah. Okay. Sick. Hey, it's looking pretty good. Oh yeah, those particle effects are nice, dude. It's all about those little graphic details. Okay, now we just have like 7 trillion item types, so that's cool. Consumable and wieldable are definitely not redundant. I don't know what I was talking about. Maybe weapon... Wieldable... Yeah. Does wieldable mean weapon, though? Like, I guess... When I think wieldable, that just means, like, you can hold it in your hands. So, I think no. Like, that could be like a hoe. You can't attack with a hoe or something. Alright, I think I'm settled. But, unfortunately, I think this is gonna just fuck everything up, dude. How many of these are just gonna get roasted? Armor, yeah, it's line now, so. It would be really... I wonder, let's ask, dude. This is something worth just trying. I feel like it's not gonna be a yes, but like, is it possible for Unity not to reorder your... Not to lose track of your enums if you just add one, but like, at a... before the current one? I don't know, man. One of my annoyances with enums in Unity. Yeah, this is pretty annoying. Unity keep track of enums and adding enums. Oh, interesting. Oh, you can... Oh, okay. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, so we can do this. Well, I wish I knew that before I just fucked everything up. Oh, man. I don't have that many things to go through, but... Okay. Yeah, we gotta do this. This is very worth it. This is actually a great random tip that I should add to my like YouTube video. I'm gonna make like 10 random tricks or something. Can't figure out how to like, there we go. Okay. I guess you could just not do this until like you come across it one day and you're like, oh fuck, I need to reorder. Then you can do it right then and there. So I don't need to do this for everything right now. That list is getting long. Dude, I know. It is. It's scaring me. It's scaring me that this is item type. We have 25 item types. It's a little scary. I don't actually know what I'm doing with these accessories. I just made some random ones up, though. Oh, the video idea list. Yeah, well... You know... A lot of these I don't really want to do anymore, but... This is the next one I'm doing. And then the one after that will I don't know. I don't know if it's worth doing a video only on Bro Block. No. This is what I was gonna do. I was gonna do this one. The made in one day, 1 week, and 1 month. I think that's what I'll do after that. So I'm gonna go open world part 3. 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and then procedural generation. And then I'll probably do open world part 4 after that. So those are gonna be my next 4 videos. There's some ones I want to then like sneak in, maybe. Maybe I'll sneak one in, like some of these easier ones in. Oh, you're gonna sleep? Alright, man. Peace, dude. You gotta stop grinding the arc, dude. Just messing with you, dude. Go as hard as you want. Or is it a paper? Maybe it was a paper. I want to give Brutus the benefit of the doubt, but I know he's just grinding arc, dude. Okay, those should be fine. Alright, anyways. I think we're good here. The only problem is... we need to get rid of this other thing. We need to get rid of these. It's gonna cause some bugs. Where's our bugs? Show me the bugs. Alright. Yeah, gear, container slot types. Yeah, this is just gonna be item type. What was it? Item type. Bro. Why does it not like that? It's public enum. This is always maddening, man. Like, what? What? Oh, okay. I hate IDs, man. That's a really dumb ID thing. Couldn't find item type because the line above it was erroring. That's a stupid ass fucking error message. Yeah, I should make a tutorial on like this modular inventory system. Yeah, I'd probably get like a solid fucking 13 views, but it'd be a good tutorial. Alright, so now I can choose like... This is so many. Like what? Body. What should the item category be on like armor? Should it be armor? Should it be outfit? Should it be wearable? We already we don't need to be this specific because we already know it's a body. Wieldable is different than like wearable. Is different than like weapon. Yo, what's up, Mr. Cheeky Monkey over on YouTube? You think armor? Yeah, I mean, I think that's right. Basically armor. The only thing is that I'm gonna name it different. I'm just gonna name it outfit because this game is less about like fighting and more about like stat boosts with outfits. But basically same thing, yeah. Yeah, let's name it. Where is that, man? I have so much shit going on. Here we go. So we'll name this outfit. Is that what I want? Yeah. No, we're also gonna have accessory. Okay. What game is this? It's called Zen Fisher. Yeah, it's up on the Steam store page. I should get a command in YouTube, but It's kind of like a fishing game, but I'm trying to gear it like towards like more open world, like Minecraft-y style. This is the Steam page. If it looks interesting to you and you want to help me out real quick, I would appreciate a wish list. No pressure if you don't want to, but the more wish lists I get, which is totally free to do, the more it'll get pushed when it gets released on Steam. So there's the link. Oh shit, I gave you the beta link. There you go. But yeah, just working on the inventory system right now, man. It's kind of been rough. But we're getting somewhere. What kind of games do you usually like? Hey, thank you guys. Oh, is that someone new? Ohad Falk? Yo, thank you, man. The wish lists are clutch. Okay, I see a fuck with items real quick here. So this is gonna be outfit. Cabbage is a food, common, consumable. Tomato is a food, common, consumable. Okay, we're back. So then there's one more thing I need to change up that I just totally fucked up. Yeah, so it's the inventory manager. We got our tackle slots. So the tackle slot is a, or sorry, this is a hook. So we got hook, bait, line, reel, lure, and some random one. Special. Okay. We have to change this guy up as well. Head. I hate working with UI. Do you work with UI Toolkit or Canvas? Oh. Oh, brother. You are asking, do I have some fucking opinions on this situation? I'm working on UI. I'm working with UI Toolkit. But God, do I hate it. Oh man, I hate it. I keep wanting to love it, and maybe one day I'll get there, but yeah, it's tough to work with. It truly is a 1.0 release. Is all I'll say. I can wishlist it now, but unfortunately cannot buy it. All good, dude. I mean, you might as well wishlist it, and because that helps me, and then also I'm gonna be giving out like free keys to people who are subscribed to the wishlist, so it doesn't hurt anything. No worries if you can't buy it, dude. So why does it not like this? Oh, it's because we already have head selected. Oh, whoops, okay. Lay. Oh god, what's going on here? Body. Gloves. Where's... This is fucking stupid. Cape. Legs. What? I don't know why these are red. Why is it telling me they're red? Oh, it's because they're selected over here, maybe? Oh, no? Amulet? It's kind of odd. Ring. We're gonna have socks in this game. You can wear socks. You guys like that? I don't know why, but I was just feeling it the other day when I was creating accessories, and I was like, socks is the one. Because what game has customizable socks? What the fuck did I just hear? I'll also stream it over on Twitch, you guys, just so you know. Yeah, dude, you can equip some lucky socks in this game. Alright, this boots. I don't even... It's just being so dumb. Okay, it's doing it now. I don't know what was up with it before, but... It's like it wanted me to select it. Oh no, I can't get this one to work. Head. Really doesn't like this one. Weird. Why? If I restart the game, will it be nicer? Ah, yes, okay. I think we're good. Oh, never mind. No, it went back to... Dude! Why? Why does it not like head? Is something wrong with it? Head. No? There's not like accidentally a 10 somewhere, is there? No? Why is it not like head, dude? You know I like head, dude? Okay, buddy. Kinda sus. Oh, this is not also a weapon. I don't know how many things are fucked up, man. There's probably just, like, how are these good? Fishing bonus. Yeah, these are good, and these are good. Oh, it's because this one's head right now. How did that? Dude, how does this keep happening? Head. Yes, okay, they're all there, finally. Yeah, that was weird. Okay, so basically what we need to do is when we drag in one of these items from our slot over here, like to body, we need to check if it is the body slot, which is now attached to the item, so that's good. These slots are also aware of their, the type of item they accept. So we basically just need to check when we're moving the item over and when we release it, like, do those two values match up? Simple, right? Let's go do it. Working on this game server right now for some quick cash. How much cash, dude? Is it actually lucrative? Oh, dude, I'm hot as fuck. Hold up. I'll be right back. I need to get some, I need to turn the AC on. I'm back. What do you even do, Mikey? What game is it? Is it Minecraft, dude? Don't tell me it's Minecraft. Okay, so it's gonna be back in base. No, it's gonna be in... Let's get rid of this breakpoint. Base slot container. So in base slot container, we have our move item. How do I do this check, man? Fucking fuck. God, dude. I hate UI, I hate inventories. They're the absolute worst, man. It might just be the hardest part of making all this shit. Making all of a game. Is making a fucking complex modular inventory system. From Brazil, yo. Oh, I say Jean Ribeiro. How's it going over there? What time is it, man? Is it It's not too late, huh? Oh, it's probably like what, 1 a.m. or something? You working on any game dev stuff right now? I think I need to make a function called can move item. This is what I want to do. I want to say can. I want this to return a boolean. And then I want to say can move item. Let's see if this works out. And I want to copy this shit in here. We should just say return false, else. Makes it a little easier. We can make this cleaner. Let's make this cleaner. So if those two conditions are both true, then we return false, otherwise we return true. Alright, I like that better. Looks better. "2:26 a.m. Oh shit, that's actually later than I thought it was. Damn. I thought it might be 12:30 or 1:30. Networking movement, server authoritative. Oh, you're doing fucking multiplayer. Are you using Fishnet or are you using network for game objects? Or I should say, are you using Unity? Maybe that's the first thing I should say. Yeah, I kind of love ternary operators. They're my favorites. I've been using them a lot lately. They just are so clean, dude. Feels good. Okay, anyways, so I guess, yeah, and instead we can just say if this is true, then if this is not true, then return. So then what we need to do though is then we need to go into the gear container and we need to override this method, can move item. So let's go into our gear container. Let's say I want these to be gears. This is weird. Yeah, we need to make sure in the inventory manager. So when this gets called, which is in end drag handler, we're calling it on the current hover slot. So whatever whatever we're dropping it onto, we're calling it from that container. Okay, that's what we want. Yeah. So I think we can do this. See what that? I think then this would be a gear slot instead of an inventory slot. Doesn't like this. Can move item. Oh, you're using mirror? Okay, okay. Dude, networking is fucking tough, man. I have the utmost respect for you if you're doing networking. I kind of gave up on that shit. It's so hard for me to debug everything, man. All the bugs that come up down the road are just like so brutal. Do you use something called Peril Sync? I found Peril Sync was pretty cool little add-on extension that I found at some point. And what it allows you to do is like create two Unity instances, except the second one is like a clone. So it literally, like any change you make in the first instance, it will make in the second instance, and it's like you can't even edit the second instance. So instead of like building your game and running it every time to like do bug checks, you can just have like two live instances going all the time that are all up to date with each other. And then the second thing that's really cool about it is that in the second instance, right, you get access to the console as well, which you don't have access to in a build. So that made things a lot easier for me, but even with that, man, Multiplayer is rough. And you're doing server authoritative. So are you making like a competitive game? Can move item. Why? Wait, I just want to make sure. Can we? Cannot override inherited member base slot because it is not marked virtual, abstract, or override. Oh. Oh, I forget how to do this actually. ChatGPT time. Can you please show me? Derived class, base class, and override one of the functions while still running the base function. Any variable I touch is followed by several tests. Dude, I feel you, man. I feel you. That's what you have to do. It's like, I don't know. You'll hopefully. I can't really say this because like I didn't get this far in multiplayer stuff and networking, but like hopefully, you know, you get to a point where you're feeling more confident, like you can make big changes and you can just be like, yeah, I can do this big chunk of things. Because it's so nice. It's so nice in like normal game dev when you like do a big chunk of coding and it just works, right? Like, oh my god, that's the best feeling. So hopefully you get there one day. I sure as hell wasn't. Yeah, I felt like it just went so slow, everything I did. Like I was doing it and I was having progress. Like I got to the point in a game, I think I was doing server authoritative as well, but I used something called Fishnet. It's pretty similar to Mirror, but got to the point where I was like shooting and like health was going down on both sides and you could like throw grenades and you could see them on both sides and everyone could see each other, but like it was getting more and more complex and I was just like, my brain was hurting, man. It was so tough. And then sometimes you would just have really weird bugs. And it always tripped me out to think about like when you're testing like a client in a server that there's actually like 4 players, there's not just 2 players. Setting up all the things to make it like just work out of the box like that is important, but it's hard. Okay, what does this say? My base class, and then it's a virtual. Is this what I want though? Like, will this still run? I just want to ask it if I create an instance of base class and I still run. I don't know if I want it to be abstract or oh, it's virtual. Yes, if you create an instance, you can still do it. Okay, that's what I want. So, okay, virtual is the one we want then for can move item. Public virtual. Let's hope this works. Okay, so then in gear, but only in gear container though. Okay, it's still not happy. Oh no, okay, we're good now. So then we say base can move item, and then we say, yeah, let's print like a value out here. Also running here. Method. I'll just return true for now. So this should do exactly the same as what we had before. That's all I want to test. Virtual methods run, kind of like saying this is the default. Okay. It's the abstract ones that you like have to inherit from, right? Or like you have to like explicitly, like they can't exist on their own, right? You can't have like an abstract method and like invoke it directly if you like create an instance of the base class. Maybe I'm wrong. I always forget the distinction between virtual and abstract. Yes? Okay, cool. Gotcha. Sweet. Okay, let's try this inventory. Tomato. Let's move it over. Okay, and it prints out also running gear method. Cool. So everything worked. Networking was the strangest thing in my mind, always thinking it was much more complicated. Really? You think it was more... Or you thought it was more complicated than it feels? I guess, I mean, that's fair. Like, it sounds like this crazy thing when, like, if you don't know anything about it, and then, like, once you, like, get into it, it's, like... I guess... It's not like black magic, right? It's like, there is a method to the madness, and it's not, like, some crazy, like, abstract type of learning that you have to do to understand it. So I get that, but I personally think it's just really hard, like, the networking, even if you do understand it. So I'm making, this is a single player game. I'm not fucking with multiplayer. Because I just really want to release a game, and I know if I try to make a multiplayer game for like my first big release, it's just not going to go well. So I'm just gonna... I'm trying to go hard on other aspects, like the open world aspect here. But I think you're pretty much fucked if you try to build a game without starting out multiplayer, right? Like, can't really add it in later, so this is definitely going to be just single player. Alright, so now we just need to basically do additional logic. So this is the issue though. This N slot is actually a gear slot in this case because gear slot is derived from inventory slot. And if it's a slot in the gear container, then it's a gear slot, not an inventory slot. And the gear slot is what has access to like the slot type. The base inventory slot does not have that type of restriction. Where is our gear slot? So God, fucking UI toolkit, man. So yeah, this is our gear slot. The two things it has that inventory slot does not have is gear slot. Gear slot data. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I might want to extend this scriptable object to also contain the item type it accepts. What was my plan here? trying to remember what I was actually trying to do with this. I don't know if it's supposed to be in gear slot data and I just forgot to add that field. Okay, we need to see where gear slot gets actually instantiated. Yeah, okay, so we use gear slot data. Oh, you know what? I think it's the data that we want is contained over here in our inventory manager in these dictionaries. Tackle slot data dict, output slot data dict. Right. Okay. Sir Dazlot, yo, what's up, man? Damn, long time no see. A few years ago, I emulated servers for the games I liked, and there's various servers. World server, data server. Oh, so you're saying like back then it like seemed way more complicated than what you're doing now? World server, data server. Yeah, I guess that's like that is like the whole server connection part is like pretty simple. I guess. Yeah, you're just like, yo, assign this to some fucking IP address and you're done. It's also nice that there's a lot of built-in functionality. Yo, thanks for the follow. Didn't know you weren't following, my guy. Emmy Curry in the chat, dude. He's got his 5 years, man. Look at that 5-year badge. We need a 5-year badge, I think. I should give you a 5-year badge. You're about the only person that would have it. Well, this is where all the data is that I need access to. Which I can get to it. It's just, it's annoying that's in a dictionary. I think... This is so not fun. So in gear container, we initialize our gear. We add we add a slot to each one. Yeah, we don't actually create anything from that dictionary. We could, on initialization, create a list out of that dictionary. That would be one way to do it. The question is then, some of them don't require an item though. Like it can be a different type. So how do we manage that part? Yo, I'm doing pretty good, man. Just making this game. Yo, I think I have this command working, but you guys can check this out. You guys can wishlist this game on Steam. Working on inventory system tonight. Have been working on inventory system for a while now. Been in a couple weeks, but it's getting pretty close to done. The nice thing is I'm doing it in a way where we can very easily create different inventories in the future, like chests and shops. So I'm making it hella complicated on myself right now, but it'll pay off. Just trying to think, what do we do here? Hand slot. So basically we should just pass in this item type for every slot. Every slot should have like an item type. I'm just trying to think, what is the item type when it can be wieldable? Because if we go back to our like item data, these are the item types we have. I could make an item type that I was gonna say any, but I don't think that works. And then annoyingly, like, it's like I have an item category. Maybe I should just make an item cat. Oh, maybe I should do both. And then I can make an any or a no. I don't want to do any. That's deceiving. Then I could just make this none. So if I pass in for each slot both an item category and an item type, using the combination of the two, we should be able to fill any slot and make any checks. So I think that's the way I want to do it. Oh, drink some water. All right. Take a cup though. You bought a motorcycle, Emmy? Oh my god, dude, this guy. Are you gonna use it all the time or just for fun? BRB, alright. Just for fun? Well, that's good. If you don't drive it around like crazy spots, then you should be good. Just don't be driving that shit in traffic all the time, you know? So I guess then item data, we need another item category here, which is just tackle. And then in here we'll just make it none for each of these. I don't know, man. It's kind of weird. Not super stoked on how I'm solving this problem, but we just got to do it somehow. Gear slot data. Is there a hands? No, there's not a hands. Alright, let's just make a hands. And then this will just be no display name, hands, and then no backing icon. Okay, and then we'll put this, we'll just populate this with like 6 hands. Key is none. Oh, what? Shit, it's a dictionary. I can't add the same one over and over. Ah. I should just make these a list, honestly. Helix, yo, what's up, man? I remember you commented on the only like post I've ever made. I don't even remember what they're called. They're like just YouTube posts. I didn't even know they existed. You know what I'm talking about? What are these things called? I don't know what these are. Posts? Anyways. Love videos, dude. Thank you, man. Oh, I'm hoping the new one takes off a little bit, bro. It's just, the new video's been frustrating me. Community posts. Yo. Danstream, what's up, dude? Did you just find the stream randomly, or did you already know the channel? Yeah, this video is frustrating. I'll show you guys the views on it. Will I implement boats in the future? Yeah, that's definitely like it's probably not like a minimum viable product feature, but it would be like immediately after that, yeah. So once everything feels like in place, then I'll do that. Oh, you came from the terrain video? Okay, for sure. Yeah, I mean that's the big one on the channel. That's the cash cow. And when I say cash cow, I mean I've earned exactly $0 from it, but it's getting me all the views. This is the new video, dude. I went so hard on this video, and I'm not pissed off yet about it, but because it's definitely getting some views still. You guys can see like 225 last 48, so it's getting views. But it started off so good. Like we had 2,000 views in 24 hours, and like the engagement, the average view duration was out of this world, 4 minutes. It's so much higher than all my other videos. And then the impressions are just like amazing. The click-through rate. Averaging 6.6% so far. So I'm like, yo, when YouTube, hello, when are you gonna push this again? They haven't pushed it though. But yeah, then the terrain video. Terrain video has just been getting all my views, basically. I'm gonna get monetized off of it. You can kind of see if we do like, let's look at like the watch time for the history. Yeah, you can see like overall, this is the open world video, the purple one. So it's getting mad views compared to everything else. And then if we look at the total watch time, we had this crazy spike when I released the last video. And then it's back down to our norm. So yeah, that's how it's going. We are getting there though, man. We're at 3,400 watch hours out of 4,000 to get monetized. So hopefully within like a month I'll be monetized. Fucking hyped for that shit. I came from the open world. Nice, dude. Yeah, yeah. People are liking that one, man. That was my first video ever. I just like I'd spent a lot of time doing open world stuff, and like every single one out there, I was just like, bro, like you guys don't need to take so long. Just like show them how to do it. Although it was kind of hard to fit it all in 5 minutes, but I feel like it worked out pretty good. And also that pack that I'm using, the nature pack, I love that pack, dude. It's just so nice. Makes it so easy to have things look good. Gets you a good jump start on a project. All right, man. How are we gonna deal with this? Should we just make these lists, dude? I was trying to do this in some smart way with dictionaries, and now I'm just like, yo, should we just make these lists? The reason not to make it a list is because then you can access the gear slot data by the item type. The problem, I guess the problem is we're just not passing in the item type into the slot. So if there's a way to do that, then I think we would be good. Let's try to figure that out real quick. So basically, when we create it, it's here. So what we could do is create a list in here from the dictionary when we init the gear container. Oh, yo, wait, I do this. Key value pair. Oh, okay. Gear slot data, and then I could also do gear slot keys. Let's just do that. Item type. I'm being stupid, man. For each key value pair, so then we'll just do gear slot keys dot add. Oh, I do this. Key value pair dot key. So then we can just like I'll do the same thing here. Okay, cool, and then wait, it can't be null. That's annoying, dude. I'm zero left on art and creativity. What the fuck? Mobile programmer and Flutter? Wait, what is Flutter? Yo, Danstry, you working on what kind of game you working on, man? If you're still around. Sounds like am I pronouncing the name right, dude? John Ribeiro. Sounds like you've been doing Unity for a while. How long you guys been doing Unity or game dev in general? Kind of newer, or have you been doing it for a while and trying to get into 3D stuff more? Okay, what the fuck do we do here, man? Is this allowed? I could just put the question mark there. I don't know. The item type will be like, this shouldn't ever happen though. I guess we could say item type dot none. Then we can get rid of this. Okay, and then what I want to do is in gear slot, I want to actually pass in this data. Why isn't it like this, dude? I swear, man. Why does it do this to me sometimes? It's because... Nah, man. That it exists. I'm telling you, dude. Item type exists. Don't bullshit me like this, Unity. Or should I say Visual Studio? Cannot convert from item data dot item type. Interesting. Why does it want to think like this? Like what? Why do I have to do this? Why is it making me do this, man? None, not noon. I think you can make it null where you define a variable, append the question mark after it, maybe def. Oh yeah, okay, that's what we tried to do. And then none. All right, hey, Aaron, I like you, man. We're on the exact same wavelength right there. Is that what I ended up doing? I can't remember at this point. Making it none? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't understand though why I had to do this up here, man. Like, I guess it's a namespace issue, but like, I don't know why. I don't know why there's a namespace issue. It's being pretty fucking stupid. But hey, we can just force it like this. And I have this horribly long initialization. It's fine. We don't need these. Okay, so now we have item type. Now we can go back to what we were doing. God, this is such a pain, man. Okay, we're back in our gear method. Enums are weird. Oh, Flutter is a mobile development framework from Google? Oh, okay. Spend your free time with Unity trying to create games. Oh, okay. So you're saying for your job you do like Flutter stuff. And yeah, that's, I mean, I'm same type of way. Like, yeah, I do Unity in my spare time just for fun, trying to make games. You said 5 years? Damn, yeah, that's a long time, dude. I don't know if I can say I have 5 years of Unity experience. It's been on and off throughout my life, but I wouldn't say I have 5 years. It's probably somewhere around like 3 years. 3 or 4 years. But I feel like just this most recent, like, I've been doing it for a solid, like, year straight. And I feel like I've gotten so much better in the last year compared to the previous ones. Like, I think because of, like, partially the YouTube stuff, like, I've tried to make sure I know my shit a lot better. And I do a lot more experimental things. Like, I just, like, try to figure, like, little projects out. Instead of, like, working on some massive project and just, like, making my, like, dream AAA game, which fucking never comes true, right? Instead, I've been making a lot more, like, mini projects, and I think I've learned a lot more doing it that way. But we're back to the dream project, man. Because why not? But I'm learning a lot about UI Toolkit. That's for sure. Man, UI Toolkit is rough. I wish it was easier, dude. I don't know if it's just because there's not a lot of tutorials out there that I'm struggling so hard, or if Unity just hasn't done a great job of... I feel like it's just frustrating to work with it. It doesn't feel like Unity. What was your first game? My first game, so I have a couple on itch. This was my first published game that I like finished. It's called Bounce Down 2. It's like a remake of an old game. It's just like a falling platformer type thing. And then we also made Bro Block, which was in that most recent video. If you guys didn't see, you should definitely go watch that video. But yeah, we made fucking Bro Block. I guess I don't have a trailer, but this is what the opening scene looks like. And it's more of just like a platformer, like standard platformer where you fight bros. That game was pretty stupid. And then I worked on something called Project Bonsai for a while. This was my like big game that I like worked on for many months. It's on Steam, but it's pretty much doomed into oblivion at this point. Like I don't think I'm gonna keep making it. But basically the scope was too large and I did not scale the project very well, and at some point I just realized like this shit ain't working. I have to start from scratch on something else. Hey, I played. No way, you actually played Bro Block. It was pretty good. You know, I think it's good because it's a complete game. There's like 15 levels and you can actually play all the levels. It's pretty funny, dude. A few people have like played it and they've like actually beaten all the levels, which I was like, what the fuck? You played all 15 levels? And a few people have been like, you should keep making that game. It's like pretty fun. So maybe I might make it for a little while longer, make it a little better. It's pretty rough around the edges right now, but it works. During Bro Block, I discovered this skinning editor in Unity to do 2D animation. That shit's incredible. If you guys do 2D animations, you should, and you're doing like Unity, you should definitely use the skinning editor. That's how I made all those fucking stupid bro animations. Yo, Skydev, what's up? How's Unity? It's going pretty good, I guess. We're just doing shit that's literally just eating at me, man. We're just so deep inside the inventory system here right now, and it's just killing me. So close to finishing it, though. At this point, I'm just talking, and I'm not getting anything done, and I just don't care. I'll finish this tomorrow. I just want to hang out. But, okay, we are close, though, because we were going back into the container in this part. So now we have access to the item type. The only problem is the base class, or the base class function that we're overriding. It takes in an inventory slot, which is the base class of the gear slot. But in this case, we actually want the gear slot. And I don't know how this works. Because it's a different argument. The problem is if this is inventory slot, then we can't get access to gear slot dot key or whatever it is. Item type. It's item type. So does that mean that I should just call... I shouldn't override? Should I just do public bool and then I call it anyways because I can pass in a gear slot into an inventory slot because the base class is the same. So I can do that. I think that should work actually. That's kind of weird. You been learning Blender? Skydev, you're already pretty good at Blender. What else you been doing? Can I show you a rig? Yeah, dude. Yeah, send it over. We can check it out on stream. Anybody else on YouTube have any builds they got out, games they're working on? Sometimes I just like to play other people's games on stream. So if you have a build and you want me to play it, I'm kind of down to do it right now. Just fucking around. Oh my god, why is this like this? What? Why is this slot like this? Oh. Wait. Hold on. Yeah, that's not gonna work, dude. Show me in voice chat. Oh, I don't really like to voice chat during stream. Oh my god, dude, when did this happen? When did this happen, man? Why is that inventory slot like that now? Oh. Like, what? Oh, wait. I might know why. Let's remove this. Yes, okay, we're back. Jesus. Okay, actually it's not true what I said earlier. So this will become none sometimes. Because for the hand slot, we don't have any. So yeah, in that case, we're just assigning it to item type .none though, which is fine. We just have to figure out how to do this fucking like this can move, dude, with different arguments. I got scared that when I changed it, that was the reason. But yeah, it's kind of an issue because like if we go into the base class right now, this calls can move item. So we really do need to override this method. I don't know how to do this, man. This is weird. Maybe we need to override move item. Calling this from in here kind of sucks. Alright, let's check it out, Skydev. This is what you made? Nice. Okay, how do we play the animations? Oh, you just have a rig. Okay, hell yeah. That looks pretty good. I guess I don't have the texture, so I can't see it. Very nice. Oh, sorry, I closed it. Yeah, okay, I need to think through this problem real quick. So we have can move item. The problem is that we're calling it from within the class. So like it's hard to do the behavior that I want. I think we have to do this from outside. But I kind of like having it in here. It's annoying. Like I want to enforce the fact that you need to always check if you can move before you actually move. Can you reopen? I mean, I guess. Where's pose mode? I forget. Oh, here we're in pose mode. Okay. Click the blue box. Which blue box? Yeah, okay. So you got a rig? All right, nice. Can move item. Let's try something. Yeah. Animation for it. You guys scare me with that animation. Oh my god. Was that a wave? Nice. Nice, nice. Dude, I'm so annoyed right now. How do we do this? I need J-Dog, man. He's probably not awake, though. Item type. But if this was a gear slot, right? This would work. Yep, it does. But then we can't override it, so... Alright, well, the only way I can come up with it then is that we have to take this out of the method itself, which is like, it's fine in principle. It just bothers me a little bit. We would have to remove this and then... Well, let's check if we can do this. So if we go over into our inventory manager and then wherever we have move item, we do can move item. And then, yeah, we do these two things. Yeah, and we just have to say if can move item, then we do this. What do you want the debug to write out? Well, okay, so let me explain my issue here. I basically have... So I basically need this, right? I need the drag end slot dot item type. So the item type is a type of gear slot. Gear slot inherits from inventory slot. So I can override can move item because it accepts an inventory slot and an inventory slot. But what I want to do is basically, like, instead of calling this can move item, I want to call the one with the gear slot instead, when it's the gear container calling it. The problem, I think, is that I'm using this can move item within the base class so that, like, I can never really call a different method. It's always calling this one with the inventory slot. And I can't override this with a gear slot because then it just is like there's nothing to override. So basically, yeah, my issue is I want the debug to write out the item type here. The only way I can come up with this, I don't know if you have a better idea, but the only way I can come up with this is to make this like its own function like this. And then we kind of get rid of this thing inside of the base class. This whole thing right here. So then we're not going to call can move item from within move item anymore. We're just going to check it before we call can move item or move item like this. And so now I think if it's the parent container calling it and it's the gear container, then it will call the one with the gear slot, I believe. Because this will be a gear slot. Kind of hacky, but you can check the type, and then if it is a gear slot, then call off. That's true, yeah. Maybe that's better. That's not too bad of a way to do it, though. Because then at least it's encapsulated in the method still. Yeah. I feel like there's a better way to do this, but I can't think of it. Anyways, let's try this out. Let's see if this works. Want to get past this problem. If this is the solution, this one right here, then it's fine. There's only one place I call move item, so it's not like I have to like keep track of it in like 7 different places. Okay, so this still works. I just wanted to verify that works. Now if we go over here, it doesn't call it. Damn. That's weird. Let's debug it. See what's going on here. Okay. Parent container is a gear container. Yes, that's what we have. That's what we want. The current hover slot is, in fact, a gear slot. Weird. Do you think in the beta... How hacky is this? Creating 2 different can moves in the base class? One except the gear slot. Ugh. Doesn't feel great to do that. I feel like I made an architectural mistake at some point here. If gear container inherits from base container, then you can override the method and then cast to gear slot. Okay. Let's try that, actually. I like that idea. It seems like a good idea. I'll try that right after. Let's just try this because I just set it up. I just want to know what it does. Yeah, I know it's fine. I'm just like, it's the thing that feels a little weird to me is that it's like they're both in the base class. Like, it feels like you would want to have that behavior not in the base. Like, that's the whole point, you know? It's like there's a base behavior and then you override that. But if I can't override it because it's a different input variable type, then I guess I don't really know what choice I have. Okay. Okay, can move item. Let's go into it. Oh yeah, awesome. Some weird shit. Why can I not go? Why does it do this, man? I want to step into that function, but it doesn't let me. It looks like it's still gonna call this. Continue. Yeah, it still does this one. How does it know which one to do? It's literally a gear slot. Right? It was a gear slot. You can see it right here. It was a gear slot and it was an inventory slot when it passed it into here. And yet it ran this one. Can't move item, not this one. Can I see the override method? Well, this is in the base class. But the override method. Oh shit. Oh shit. I got rid of that. Whoops. But still, I'm still a little confused. So why can't I do this? Oh, did I do it in the wrong order? Whoops. You don't know why it's calling the method with the wrong signature? Yeah, that's pretty weird. Here, let's try it one more time with this overriding properly. Okay, so we can see it's a gear slot and an inventory slot. We continue. Yeah, it calls this one. No idea. So weird. That is some interesting behavior. Okay, let's try what you were saying. I guess this doesn't really work for some reason. I might come back to this. I almost wonder, like, could, like, the order possibly matter? That would be really stupid, but I'm gonna comment this out for now. I think because your override is calling base. Oh. You're right. Oh, shit. Good call, dude. Alright, let's try this one more time then. Right. Oh. No, but it's calling it like this. Base can move item. And it's like the gear slot version of it, right? Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know either. This is a weird one. Okay. Well, I'll come back to this. Maybe I'll try to explore this more off stream. But what were you were saying to do something and I like the idea. What was it? Right click that and go to definition. Okay, let's try that. That goes to the right one. Maybe we should make a breakpoint here. Let's make a breakpoint here and see what happens. So tripped out. I feel like this should work. Come on, dude. Please compile, man. I need to restart this project. Shit's taking so long. Okay. Ugh. Wait, did I not? Oh, I didn't have any breakpoints. Hold on. No, I do. I did have a breakpoint. What? I have a breakpoint right here. It never calls this because it's just calling the other one. That's what's going on. It's just calling the base one. So it's just bypassing this one completely. And it's just calling this function. And then like because I'm not overriding this one. Does it know it's a gear container? It does. It definitely does, because well, I mean, yeah, here, we can do this, but basically this parent container is a gear container. You can see it right there. And then the other thing is that it's the hover slot. The hover slot is a gear slot, and then this is an inventory slot. So I was just hoping that like, well, yeah. I mean, if it's a gear container, it should be, you know, instance of this. Can move item. And it just decides, oh, we're not going to call this one. We're going to call the other one. Well, what you said seemed kind of smart, though. Like, I could just, instead of doing this, I doesn't like that for some reason. It's kind of weird. So we could just do this, and then... Can't we cast this? You can't cast it like this? Ah, that's so annoying. Dude, that is so weird. Oh, whoops. Oh, did I fuck something up there? Oh, I can't. Ooh. What? Oh, sorry. Okay. 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 Okay, let's put a breakpoint here. I'm gonna have to pause for a sec after this one if it doesn't work. Gotta make a quick call. Hopefully, hopefully the cast works. Feels so hacky though, man. Fuck. I'll have to think about this. Okay. Continue. Okay, we are calling can move item this time. New gear slot. It is a gear slot. Gear slot data is none. Item type is none. Yeah. Oh, actually, that could be fine. That could be right. Because we actually put it in a slot with that data. Oh no, now we're going the reverse way. Oh, stop. Okay, let's go into hook. Ah, yes, we have it. Okay. Item type is hook. We got it. Oh my god. Thank you, Aaron. You're a legend, dude. Hello, Sabina. Yo, what's up? Thank you for the follow. Sorry, you guys. One sec. I need to make a call real quick. I'll be back in just a couple minutes. Okay, we're back. Thank you for the follows. Follows away. Alrighty. This was a time, dude. I mean, this is one way to do it. This sure is one way to do it. Yeah, you can do that. This is a feature of C#. You can, I was looking this up earlier, but you know, if you have a function that is a base class, like my inventory slot here, if you pass in a derived class from the inventory slot from the base class, you can pass that in just fine, and it retains all that information. And the reason, right, is because like it's all of that information and more. So it just is like, oh, yo, we're just going to keep the whole derived class, and anything you want to get from the base class, like we already have, but we're going to keep everything else. So that's what's happening here. It's just a little awkward that we have to cast it onto gear slot, but I guess it's not the biggest issue. Like, we only do this in gear container, so I feel like this is a half decent solution, to be honest. Oh shit, got a little posture check. I don't know who LOL Sveen is, but I respect the posture check without even talking. Oh, there it is, there it is. What's up? I was like, damn, I don't know if anybody's just redeemed like a a points thing without talking. Just impressed. Oh, okay. The last thing here. This is what it all brings it to get together. I can't even talk. I can't even speak English because we're about to finally do this thing that we've been trying to do for the last hour. Yo, why is it red? That's kind of weird. It's like a slight red hue on the backdrop of my text right now. That's weird. We don't need that. If new gear slot dot item type. Why? Yeah, you guys see that? Why is it like that, dude? Oh. Bro, why is my Visual Studio saying this? Oh god. Wait. Did I like enable some weird some weird setting, dude? Is there item data? Current item data dot item type? Dude, what did I do, man? Why is it showing me like this? I just hate coding, man. I just hate it. Why why do these things happen, man? Why do they happen to me? And it doesn't help that I'm OCD as fuck. Now this is just gonna bother the hell out of me until I figure it out. Let's just do this check though. Oh, it went away. Okay, I think it's because we were debugging. Jesus. Alright. It's an error. Yeah, I feel like that's not gonna work, huh? Oh. I think it has to be the drag begin slot because that's the item data we're actually moving. Yeah. Okay, that's probably what it is. Yo, what is... Okay, I need to restart. Unity is just fucking walking around on crutches right now. Okay, let's go here. Yes, dude, it said false. Oh my god, okay. This is the moment of truth, though. Armor to body. True, holy shit. And then when I drag it off here, it doesn't say anything, which means it's not actually calling that, which is good. How about we go to legs? False. Alright. And now to do the final little bit here. Well, okay. Let's just do our nice, clean little ternary statement. True, false. Beautiful. Alright. Fucking love ternary operators, man. They're just the best. They're just so sexy, dude. And then I'm restarting. As soon as this works, I'm restarting. Can't be doing this 15-second compile time every time. Okay. So now we drag it onto here, and it goes back, because you can't. But we drag it on the body, and we can. Wow. We are gaming, dude. Oh, shit. We can swap the cabbage, though. We can swap items in. That's a bug. Fuck. Cool outfit, bro. You you like this this body? This armor? Made it myself, actually. What is this even, dude? I think it's in Photoshop. Here's my armor, you guys. It's a work in progress, okay? Look at our nice armor on the ground. Okay, we need to make it so we can't do this. Except I said I was going to restart my Unity, so I am. Oh, the cat. Oh, that's what you meant. Nice outfit, bro. I got you, dude. I was a little slow there. Indeed. It's the fucking hacks, dude. That's gonna be the hacks in Zen Fisher, dude. If you swap it, you can swap into cabbage and wear it. I should just make that a thing. The actual outfit is cool too, though. Thank you. It's just a very quick mock-up I made in Blender. Because I wanted to test this out today. Alright, let's open Unity back up. And the model matched the icon. You want to know how I made the icon? I just came in here and I did this. That's the goated strats, dude. I don't even know how I like. Yeah, some setting. How did I turn off the grid lines? Now I can't get them back on. I forget. I forget what I did. Oh, show overlays. Okay, you can turn off show overlays. You can just take a picture of it. It's works pretty well. I think the better way is like you can actually render an image. Oh, you need a camera though. Dude, that's annoying as fuck. Yeah. But you could actually render an image, I guess. There's like a real way to do it, but I just screenshotted it. It's activating the item in player? Wait, sorry, what do you mean? Alright. Let's fix this. Yeah, what is the... I guess it's only because the can move item is only checking where you're moving it to. It's not checking... Oh man, that's actually pretty hard. That makes things really annoying. Oh, Thorolf is here. I'll give you some game dev ASMR. Yes, yes. Oh, there's tons of that tonight. Don't worry. Lots of complaining about code not working. Actually, yeah, we went through the ropes earlier, dude. Oh my god. Yeah. Do you Thorolf, actually, I don't know. This is a question for you, man. We were struggling to answer this. I was trying to do this earlier. I have a different solution, which I'm fine with and it works. But basically, I have all this like derived class and base class shit going on right now in this inventory. And like I basically tried to like copy this function and then make it a gear slot instead. Which is the gear slot is derived from inventory slot. And then I tried to make this override function like a gear slot like this. And whenever I called it from this class, we verified it was getting called from this class. Like it was an instance of gear container is what I should say. It would call this one. The inventory slot one, the base one, not the gear slot one. And we were passing in a gear slot and an inventory slot. I didn't get that, dude. That was pretty weird. Dude. Yo, you guys want to see? I just had a funny idea. Should we see if Raft actually, I'm sure they did. But I know Raft has like drag and drop like equipment, so I just want to see if they if this is a fuck up for them. I'm sure it isn't, but I'm just gonna try it because I think it's funny. It should work as you expect, which leads me to think a small mistake were made. Interesting. Okay. Could start the other one if... Okay, yeah, that's true, that's true. Basically, instead, I just ended up casting it to a gear, the inventory slot to a gear slot if it was called in the gear container. That's what I ended up doing, which, like, I think it works pretty well. This is how I spend my time on stream, dude. Just trying to find mistakes in other games. This is why being like a good like QA tester is like actually important. Like there's people who just like know all these like little weird quirks about certain aspects of games. They're like, "Oh, you have a gear container? Like, let me go try and fucking swap in a cabbage." Ah, shit, wait. Opposition research? Wait, is that an actual term? If you call it with inventory slot X equals new gear slot, it will use inventory slot overload, but if you call it with gear slot equals new gear slot, it will use gear slot overload. I didn't think we were doing that, but no, I mean, I believe you. It was probably a weird thing. Oh, you're just saying the political term. Okay, okay. Opposition research. I like it. Yeah, we can call it that. We're spying. We're spying on rafts right now. Where's my creative game? Okay, let's look in the creative one. I do a lot of opposition research when I'm game deving. Alright, how do I get clothing? Craft. Oh shit. Alright, you guys ready? Damn. They got it. Can't swap in a barrel, dude. Alright. Can move item. Okay, so somewhere along the way down here, swap items. So this is if okay, so we would say if this is not the case. Okay, so if we're swapping, if we're trying to move an item and we're swapping, then we want to say I think I'm getting tired. I'm staring here like blankly. You guys think I'm thinking about something, but I'm actually just not. I'm just zoning out. Swapping, huh? Then we basically need to do this check also on the other slot, but it's not a gear slot. Is that going to be a problem, dude? Oh, no, I think that's fine. We can just do... Because it's using the item data. It's... Right, yeah. If the item type for the gear slot equals the... We're checking the begin slot. Yeah, because that's the one we're moving. I think we just need to check, like, if we're swapping, we just need to check that both are, like, both satisfy this condition. Seems like the simplest way to do it to me. So we need to check that that is true, and then we also need to check that the end drag end slot is true. Ask Ripper for a deeper... Wait, Asset Ripper? Dude, I read that as Ass Tripper. Doing some Ass Tripper over here. If both the begin item and the end item are the same type, then we say that's just for swapping. Okay, if we're swapping, we do all these checks. If we're not swapping, then we do these checks, which is what we had before. Alright, let's try it out. This is what they don't tell you about game dev, dude. One tiny little fucking error, man. Spend half an hour on it. Oh yeah, we can't move cabbages, I forgot. But we will need it as a test device. Alright, let's try to swap. Oh my god, we can still swap, dude. Awesome. Ugh. Why? Thought I did that. I thought that was a foolproof method. So if the drag end slot is current item data is not null, and the item ID, dragons. Yeah, I mean that should be good. I don't see how that's not good. The gear slot item type is equal to the drag begin item current item data item type. So then if that's yeah, I'm not really seeing what's wrong in here. Let's try to debug it. I wonder if J-Dog's gonna show up, man. Where's that guy? We need him. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Okay. All right, now let's swap. Oh, I know what's happening. I mean, yeah. See, this is false. So yeah, the issue is that when we move it from here to here, it's actually checking the inventory. It's using the inventory container to check. That's actually pretty annoying. It's not using the gear container to check it. It's using the inventory container. Yeah, John. Yeah, I'm doing that. But yeah, the issue is we're just using the wrong. It's not actually calling this because it's not using this override method. It's using the base method. So I mean, the good thing is we do have, we can override inventory. Okay, so let's check something real quick. Let's say debug.log type of drag and slot. Debug.log type. Wait, why is it doing type of? I can't just do type? What? Is this some like system? I thought we could do this. Type? No? Fuck. Tripping, I guess. How do we get the item type? Or how do we get the class type? Type of is how you check the type? Is that right? Okay. So why does it not like this? Do I have to do like 2 string? Oh, get type? Wait. Type of is correct? Get type doesn't work, they're all... Oh wait, sorry. Maybe it does. Yep, you're right. Huh. Is it because it's like an instant? Like... It's because it's an object, huh? It's not... Type of is for a class, right? Type of... Okay, Thorolf says type of only works with class names. Right, okay. That makes sense, okay. So type of for classes or like enum types. And get type for objects. Got it. Okay. Yeah, so let's just try this. This is like, man. Yeah, this has been pretty rough. I decided this morning, like, I'm gonna make this modular framework, and it's been just fucking downright awful, man. I was not prepared for this kind of a headache. Okay, so, yeah, we should just be... Okay, it's printing out inventory slot when we go between these two. Now let's go over here. Okay, it doesn't call that because it's calling out the gear container. Now let's go back. Okay, and it called it correctly. So this is a gear slot and this was an inventory slot. So we can do this. Cool. So we basically just have to do the same thing now, like that we did over here. It's kind of annoying, but it's a little different because, well, going the reverse direction, I guess. So yeah, we're gonna have to say if drag end slot, or is it drag begin slot? What did I have before there? Drag begin slot is the one. If drag begin slot get type equals gear slot. This is where I do type of. Okay. Drag begin gear slot. And actually, you know, maybe we can just do this. This is probably a little cleaner to do this and just return. So if it's not of type gear slot, then we just return, and then now we can just do all this. Okay, and then gear slot. So is it drag end slot or drag begin slot? I think it's drag begin slot item divvy. That is not equal to null. I think we just kind of basically do this, but just reverse everything. Oh, we can't check. Ah, man. Yeah, that's annoying, though. But I guess this is just like, we'll just say this is swapping from gear to gear container to inventory container. So in that case, this is hurting my head so much, you guys. 4:30 a.m. time to sleep. All right, dude. Yo, Jean, thanks for hanging out with me tonight, man. I hope to see you back soon. Dium, hey Spader, big fan of your dev videos. Been making my own project based off of your workflow. Very inspiring, dude. Hell yeah, man. That's what I like to hear. You doing a 3D like open worldy type thing? All right. God, this is just a nightmare. Okay. Type. Yeah, we only need to do this check if we're swapping. So we're checking if we're swapping if the drag begin gear slot item type is equal to the item type of the actual item, then we're good. Otherwise, we're not good. Is this, do I need this? I don't think so. I think we can just eliminate that. Actually, I think else. Wait. I think it's just else is true. Okay, let's see if this works. Yikes. Not a fun function. Oof, I messed up and deleted some of my work from last week. Force push is no joke. Oh yeah, by the way, DM, I'm over on Twitch as well. If you use Twitch, streaming there. Usually a few more people, but I stream to both YouTube and Twitch. Don't really matter to me which one you're on. Working hard at learning more, but there's only so many great tutorials like yours out there. Oh, thanks, dude. You're gonna make me blush. Oh, man. Yeah, but at the end of the day, you just gotta get out there and you just gotta start doing it, you know? You only want to do so many tutorials, but it's good to have, you know, a launch point at least with the tutorials. So you can just getting started for the most part, would you say? What's your background? Do you have any coding experience, any coding background? The Rolf, man, you fucking force push. Can you not get it back if you force push? I thought it's still a different commit. Trying to be a Jedi? Dude, I like the force push though. I like that you're just like, fuck it. Fuck all these people trying to check my merge requests. Force push. Twitch switch. Hey, DM's here. Yo, J-Dog in the chat. J-Dog is here. J-Dog, man, I've been having a rough time today. We're making progress, but it is baby steps, that's for sure. Actually, no, we made some good progress in just the last 30 minutes. We're looking pretty good. Let's do this test. The issue that we found out most recently is that so I got the gear slot working, so it only drags into gear slots that are like that item type. Oh fuck, dude. Now it's fucking up this part. It's not an instance. Oh yeah, in this case, okay. Line 86. Doesn't like line 86. Oh man. It's probably still there. Don't know how to get it back. Hey, as long as you can get it back, that's fine. Yeah, yo, DM. I was asking what your experience is in game dev. Are you just like getting started? Do you have a programming background at all? Oh man, this is just so rough, bro. Like, what is... The drag begins... Oh, it must be the current item data. I mean, we could say it's like or drag in slot dot current item data all. Drag begin if get type of the beginning slot. This is when we drag it from to. Wait, what? Oh, sorry. We're checking if it is a gear slot. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so if it is a gear slot, and then also if the one that we end on, if that's null, then that just means there's no item there, so then we're good. Then we just return true, we're fine. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Yo, dude, yeah, J-Dog, I got some questions for you, man. You're kicking it off. One sec, let me read what you're saying. Let's check this real quick. Okay, we can move it back out now. Now let's try to swap it with the cabbage. No! Still works. Wait, I can't swap it out now? It's almost like I... Ah! Okay. Let's see what J-Dog's saying. I think line 77 base dot can move should probably be wrapped in an if statement. Oh, whoops. Let me think about that. We were over in... Wait, sorry. If there's any logic you're checking before the overridden stuff should run? Oh, like, will that return true? Even if this returns false? Wait, I did this somewhere else too. I feel like it worked over here when I did it. Huh. Wait, should I be getting like a Boolean out of this? Like, can move base? If I do that? It's not doing anything, huh? Okay. If not base dot can move item. Oh, I see what you're saying. You're saying do if so if we cannot move item, then we just return. That's what you're saying? Or we return false. Yeah. That makes sense. Right. Okay. What's a DM saying? Zero experience, no programming at all, literal Bambi. Alright. All very intimidating. Very interesting to watch though. Yeah, man. Well, it's just it's a process, man. It's a long process. But game dev's fun and you get to learn coding, so. Cabbage armor on top. Dude, yeah, it's been a fight with the cabbage armor all night, man. The cabbage is winning at the moment. Line 79 can be simplified to... Yeah, I can imagine some of this fucking shitty code can be simplified. It's looking pretty ugly over here. Let's check it out. You said line 79? Simplified to if drag vegan slot is gear slot. Oh. Good call. Nice. We like that. Beautiful. Okay, so I have to do the same thing here though, right? So You should always return or use the base value if it has a return type like bool or whatever. Yeah, shit. I didn't like I knew that, but I wasn't thinking about it. Yeah, that was totally slipped through the cracks there. Yeah, that makes sense. I was just using it like I was just being a dummy and using it like I always use base methods. But this is different when it has a return type, and you depend on that return type, right? Okay. This looks ugly. Let's use a ternary. You actually don't need a ternary? Wait, really? Oh yeah. I can just do this. Nice. That's what I'm talking about, dude. We're making some clean code tonight. Okay, and I feel like I should also do this. Like, this looks really terrible. So, what does this mean? This means we are swapping. Swapping item. I don't know if I want to chain ternaries. I feel like chaining ternaries is disgusting. Is there a way to simplify this, you think? Without chaining ternaries? Whatever. Oh, man. I think how it was before might have been like this. Yeah, I thought I could do some better magic. But I think this is... Yeah, this is probably the cleanest. If I don't chain ternaries, I think it's the best I can do here. Okay. Okay. Let's do a little debugging. You could initiate can move item to true, then get rid of the else. Oh shit, you're right. Good call. Nice. Hey, you guys are the best, dude. We're just making the cleanest code. Alright. No thanks to me. That's a lot better than the garbage we had before. Okay, and I'm guessing this still does not actually work, though. Okay, we can at least drag it back now. But yeah, we can still, unfortunately, swap fucking cabbage armor on. I mean, I think. No, no, you're right, you're right. If it's an else there, as long as it's just an else and not an else if. So, hold up, though. Didn't we... Wait. I thought I was trying to debug that. Okay, here we go. So what's happening? Oh shit. Oh no no yeah yeah. That's correct. Okay, so now we're gonna swap. Oh. If beginning slot is not a gear slot, that's a gear slot. Wait, Oh, or? Wait. No. Wait, what? This is not null. Begin slot is a gear slot. Why is it telling me we're about to return true here? Oh, duh, sorry. That's what you're saying. Can I do is not? Sorry, okay. Yeah, you're right. Okay. Just a little mistake there. Alright. Well, let's just see, did it work? Oh my god, it still is... Oh wait, we changed that. We changed that during run. Dude, I'm tripping balls, man. I need to go to bed. Might want to reload, yeah. I realized that about 5 seconds too late there, Mr. J-Dog. Jesus. What time is it? Oh shit, yeah, it's almost 1. Yeah, I need to go to bed. Oh, I fucking swear to God, dude. What is going on here? Okay, we made it down here. Can move item is true. Current item data is not null. Yes. And current item ID is armor common. Okay. Okay, so we're swapping. Okay, so this returns true. Drag begin gear slot. Oh. This needs to be drag end slot. Yeah, okay, that should work. Yes! Finally, dude. Jesus. Wow. I think that means it's time to go to bed. There might be a situation where... Oh, shit. Yeah, I need to do... There's still a few more things here that we need to solve. One is we need to, for the hand slot, we need to not check if it's like an item, but we also need to check if the item type is like wieldable or whatever. And then what we need to do is we need to check if we try to swap items between different gear slots. We need to make sure that doesn't happen. Because I don't know if I really account for that case, but anyways. Man, it's been a day. Pretty good progress overall. Things are kind of working. Oh, man. Scooter just came. What's up? First time chatter. Scooter, how's your night going? We're about to actually take off. About to end the stream. How's your night going, though? We could try to find somebody to raid. I need to start doing this more often. I don't raid people enough. Dude, what is this title? Fat Bouncy Milkies? Like, dude. Oh, Skyzak streaming. I'll send you guys over to Skyzak. Well, he's playing Roblox, though. Oh, I thought he was doing game dev. Well, there's nobody really on that I know. We can check the, I'll send you over to Skyzak if we can't find any game dev streamers. Chilling out, used to have an idea for a game, but I might scrap it. What's the idea? Fuck. This looks kind of cool. Oh shit. I'm gonna raid this guy. Basically a low poly Tarkive like game. Oh, nice. Well, I'm making a low poly game. Low poly fishing game. Open worldy. Yo, Scooter, what number is that, dude? Number 630. Getting up there. One of these days we'll have 1,000. Thank you for the follow, man. All right. I'm gonna raid. All right, we're set up for a raid. See you guys. Thanks for chilling. I'll be live 2 days from now. So what is that? Tuesday. I'll be back. See y'all later. Peace.